Okay, good luck.
Man.
Yeah.
Have a good time.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Maybe I'll see you guys at the bottom.
Yeah. Yep. Almost went over the handlebars. Okay, totally missed that one. Wow. Woo! Yeah, baby. I'm sure I'm fucking recording that shit. Yeah. Yeah, I am. Shit is so sick. Wow. Great. Oh fuck. Okay. Not too bad. Okay. Yep. Gnarly. Woo! Woo! Yep. 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 Totally not ready for those. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Woo! Wow. Wow. That was not bad for my first time ever going over jumps. Didn't go over the handlebars, but definitely back wheel was bouncing up on me. Okay. So Grand Prix is the next black one.
Yep.
I'll probably stop at that one, and then we'll hit up baby GP down to middle school.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay, it definitely leans back into that one. That was... Wow.